No, 4/22 is not the date. Ella got her name. Carson, what do you think the date is?
This.
That's not the date. That was our date 2 days ago. So what's 2 more days?
I don't know.
Okay, yesterday was 4/23/14. So today should be
23.
No, yesterday was 4/23. Today is
25.
No, that's tomorrow. What's today, Miss Ella? Can you help your friend?
I don't know.
Okay, yesterday?
I just know it's 4.
Okay, today is, it's not the 23rd, it's the, what's after 23?
Let's see. I don't know.
Let's count together. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5.
Carson, together. 1,
1, 2, 3, 4.
Ella.
3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23.
23 was yesterday. 24.
4.
Yes, sir. Good job. So today, no, that's the 4. Now you need what?
2,
2, and then a,
2, 3.
no, that was yesterday. Today
4.
is
Oh, 5.
4. Tomorrow is 25. Go ahead and write it, please.
Okay,
4, 24, 14. Now 14, Ella. 1, 4.
I know which 1, 4.
No, ma'am. Look.
That's what I just now wrote.
No, ma'am. Miss Ella, that's not what I've asked you to do. It's, you didn't listen. 4, 24,
Done.
14. Let me see, Mr. Carson. 4, 2, 2, 1, 4 is what you had written earlier. It needs to be 4, 2, 4, 1, 4. So what do you need to fix? Don't erase it all. There you go. Good thinking.
4.
Okay. How are you doing, Miss Ella? Okay, Carson, slide your board back over where it was. Put your dry erase marker down. Ella, put your dry erase marker down. Put the lid on it. Thank you, Carson. Thank you, Ella. Okay, are we ready for our workshop to start?
Yes.
Okay, what do we start with? Do you remember what it's called?
Mental math.
Very good, Miss Ella. Let's be gentle, Carson. Okay, so let's start our mental math. Are you ready? Thumbs up if you're ready. Miss Ella, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Carson,
Yes.
here's what I want you guys to mentally think about, okay? 5 plus 5 equals,
10. Oh.
thank you, Carson. Miss Ella, I think you're doing more playing than thinking. Can you sit crisscross, please? Okay, ready? 9 plus 1. What is it, Miss Ella?
I think it's 10.
Very good, Miss Ella. Okay, here's the next one. 8 plus 2. You got it, Carson? What?
10.
Do you agree, Miss Ella?
Yes.
Okay. Can you show me how you got to 10?
Because you have 8.
8, and then what?
Add 2 more equals 10. Because 8, 9, 10.
Okay. Very good. Okay. Today, I want to go over again what we did. Mr. Carson, hands to side, please.
I want my hair in my face.
Well, you can't work. Your friend was trying to help you. Ella,
Move your hair out of the
can you
way.
please move your hair so you can participate with your friend? Miss Ella. Thank you. Okay. Are you ready? What is our math workshop called? What are we? Do we remember? What are we?
Problem solvers.
Very good, Carson. Miss Ella, can you read us step 1, please?
Listen to it's up on there.
It is. Very good. Would you like your friend to help you?
Yeah.
Okay, what is it, Carson?
Okay. Listen to problem.
Very good. What do we use to listen with?
Ears.
Our
Eyes.
ears. Okay, what's step 2, Mr. Carson?
Okay. Think. Yeah, wait, Ella, help me.
Okay. Do you know it, Aunt Ella? That's a big word. Ready? Understand.
Problem.
Very good. What do we use to understand?
Make plan.
Just a minute. We're not on step 3. Let's finish step 2. What do we use to understand the problem? You said it earlier. We use our
Think of brain.
thinking brains. Very good. Miss Ella, what is step 3?
Make plan.
Who needs to make a plan? Ella does. Should Carson make a plan? Can you guys have different plans?
Yeah.
Carson, gentle hands. Step 4.
Solve. Hey, that's fine.
Okay.
That's fine. Problem. To solve what? Plan.
Very
Solve.
good. With
Plan.
plan. What plan do we
Check
use?
work.
Just a minute, Ella. What plan do we use, Carson?
Check work.
No, what plan do we use?
Um,
Whose plan? Who made a plan?
me.
Carson
Us,
did.
us,
Ella
us.
did. Can Mrs. Powell make a plan?
Yes.
Can Gunnar make a plan?
Yes.
Okay, we all can make plans. Do they have to be the same?
No.
No? Okay. What's the next step? Step 5, Carson.
Check work.
Check work. How do we check our work?
Put checks on.
Well, that shows we're done, but is there something else we can do?
Get our grade higher.
Well,
Check our work.
okay, let's say we wrote it down. We can add it up differently. Carson, I like how Ella's sitting. We talk about it with our friends, and sometimes we come up with different answers, and then we talk about it some more, and then we agree on an answer. Can we do that as a group? Carson, can we do that as a group? Okay, Ella, can you do that? Okay, can you please get your hair out of your face so we can work? Nothing's funny. Thank you. Okay. I've got some more problems for my friends to solve. Do we have a Carson?
Yes.
Are we sure?
Sure.
What letter does his
That was
name
Carson.
start with?
C. It's hard.
Okay, then that one works.
Here.
Mr. Carson. Do we have an Ella?
Yes.
Are we sure?
Yes.
Does her name start with an E?
Yes.
Ends with an A?
Yes.
Oh my goodness, then we got this one for you. Who would like to read theirs first?
Mine's blue.
Who would like to read theirs first?
No.
Okay, we need to get going.
I cannot read mine first.
Okay, Ella, can you please sit crisscross and read your card?
I'm not reading mine first.
Ella,
Fine.
thank you. Thank you, Carson, for being a team player. Ella, give me the trash. On your hands, I need it, please.
This is my hair meal.
Okay. You can have it back after we're done. Hand it to me, Ella. Ella. Hand it to me. Thank you. Okay, Mr. Carson, our friends are ready.
Carson has 10 blocks. Makes
Mrs.
Towel
told
told Carson he needed to share blocks with a
Longhorn
longhorn
friend.
friend.
Very good.
Blocks.
How many
How many blocks did Carson share 4 blocks with a Longhorn friend. How many blocks did Ella have
Left.
left?
Very good
I was
reading,
about-
you guys. Thank you.
I was about to
Okay, so let's think about what each person
I
has.
get to go to the bathroom. I gotta go to.
Okay, Mr. Carson, your problem said you had how many blocks?
10.
Okay, and what did Miss Powell ask you to do?
Share some with all ports.
Okay, so what does that make you doing?
Give me,
Ella, I'm talking to Mr. Carson.
sharing.
You're sharing, so that means you had 10 and you gave how many away?
Let's see. It doesn't say them. It only says 10.
No, it says Carson had 10 blocks. Mrs. Powell told Carson he needed to share how many blocks? Ella, how many blocks do you need to share?
4.
How many blocks did you start with?
Where's the number 4
10.
on here?
So, what kind of math are we doing?
Mental math.
We did mental math earlier. Right now, what kind of problem is this?
Solving problem.
We are solving a problem, but what are we going to use to solve that problem?
Our mind.
You can use your mind. What kind of
Your
math?
fingers.
Okay, gentle hands.
Fingers.
Miss Ella, put that down, please. Miss Ella, thank you. Carson, please stop. Okay. Is this addition or subtraction we'll be doing?
Subtraction.
It is subtraction.
Addition. It's not addition.
No, it's not. I just said it was subtraction. Now, okay, so let's start with getting our information together. We know we have how many blocks?
10.
10. So can you collect 10 blocks so you can start thinking about your problem?
Got 10. 2 to my friend. 2 more. Okay, got some. 10. Okay, and I'm giving
Okay.
you 4.
So go ahead.
I'm
let's-
giving you 4.
Ella, can you? No, we're not giving any to the Carson. Carson, it doesn't say give them to Carson. Carson, are you sure you have 10?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay.
Okay. Ella, do you have 10?
Yes.
Okay. Put your 10 together, please.
Yep, I have 10.
You have 10? You have 10 right there. Okay. Good thinking, Carson. Ella, do you have 10?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, what's the next step in your problem? Go ahead and work it out for me. What's the next thing you need to do?
Give 4 to Ella.
No, we're not giving 4 to Ella. We're just setting 4 to the side to give to a friend. So can you do that? Good thinking, Carson. Okay. Very good.
Make them in the person's arm.
Okay. So, what's the next part of your question? Go ahead and work it out. What's your problem say, Carson? What does your card say, Carson? so we can hear Miss Ella?
How many blocks did Ella have left?
Okay.
Jinx.
So, Carson, we're trying to work. We're not doing double jinx.
No, itchy, itchy.
Okay. So, what do you need to answer there? What is it asking you to solve?
Itchy, itchy.
Ella. How many blocks did Ella have left?
4. No. 5. Yeah.
We don't agree with each other. We have two different answers.
What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6.
Very good, Miss Ella.
What? Yeah, 6.
Carson, do you not agree with that? Okay. Well, let's take a look at it.
It is. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes. So how many did you take away? Go back and check your work and see how many you took away.
4. And I did take away 4.
Did you? Look at the ones you took away. Mr. Carson, look.
No.
It's not funny, Miss Ella. Please sit on your pockets and let your friend be.
There we go. 6.
Okay. Do our answers agree?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now that you've thought about it, I want you to illustrate it and write your problem on your data sheet. Mr. Carson, on your pockets. Miss Ella, on your pockets, please.
Now. Okay. 30.
Carson, go ahead and do your name and date, please, so we know you did your work. Okay, very good, Miss Ella. Go ahead and illustrate on your data sheet what you worked out.
I might know what it is.
No, you work it on yours. How many blocks did Carson start with? Miss Ella, I need you to do your work, please.
What do I do?
What did you do before? How many blocks did you start with?
10.
Can you show 10 blocks, please? On your paper, this is where you work it out on the paper. You've done your mental math. Now we need to show our work. Mr. Carson, do you have the date written on your own board?
I love the other game. Because I can remember.
Okay.
Okay.
So, Miss Ella, how many blocks are you going to start with? Miss Ella, how many blocks are you going to start with Carson? Please work on yours. I need you to illustrate what you've done. How many blocks does Carson start with?
I have 10 blocks.
Okay, well then illustrate your blocks. Draw your blocks on there. Show me 10 blocks. Okay? Carson, we've already done your mental math using your blocks. You need to use your pencil or a marker and put how many blocks on the paper? 10. Okay. So Ella, do you have 10?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What's the next step that Ella needed to do? What did your problem ask you to do next or tell you to do
Take
next?
away 4.
Okay.
And
How can you show that you've taken away 4?
X 4 out.
If that's however you want to do.
X 4.
It's your paper. This is your plan.
My 10 is gone.
Okay, very good, Miss Ella.
10. Wow. Okay.
Carson, what did you do there? What did you?
10 windows.
Okay. Now what are you going to do? Miss Ella,
X 4 out.
very good. You're going to, okay. Miss Ella, Now I need you to write out your problem. Now that you've done your illustration, you've done your mental math, you've done your drawing, your illustration, show me it in numbers. Okay, Mr. Carson, how many? There you go.
Now I know what it is.
Okay, you need the entire problem, Mr. Carson. You didn't finish. I need to see how you got that answer. Very good. How do you know you need that sign in there, Carson?
Because we're taking away.
Very good.
10 minus.
10 minus what, Carson? We have 10 minus equals 6.
10 minus equals.
Yes, that's what you wrote. 10 minus equals 6. What are you missing? Are you missing something, or is that how we read it?
I'm missing something.
Okay, can you try to... Let's not look at this, and let's try to rewrite it. See if you can rewrite it for Miss Cat.
I know what I'm missing. Minus.
Can you read that to me, Miss Ella? What does it say? Read the properties.
10 minus 4 equals 6.
How did you know you were using this?
Because it's minus.
It's a minus, but why do you know you need a minus?
I took some blocks away.
You took some blocks away. Very good. Okay. I need you to send me your pockets. I want us to share. Carson, I want you to walk me through it. What's the first thing you did?
Okay,
The first thing Carson did was, tell me.
I had 10 blocks.
Okay, so you put 10 blocks. Help me count, please.
2, 3,
Miss Ella, eyes up here, sister.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can I
Okay.
write mine?
Miss Ella, we're working up here together now. Okay, Carson's going to share first, and then you can share. What did you do next, Mr. Carson?
And then I took 4 away.
Okay, how did you show that you took 4 away?
I spelled out.
You put an X. Help me count.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Very good. Now what did you do?
And then I was left with 6.
Okay. Count with me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay. Do we agree that that's the correct answer?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, Miss Ella, it's your turn to share. Carson, can you sit on your pocket so Miss Ella can share? You want to do the writing? Okay. Sit right here, Miss Ella.
Oh, I'm going to do it that time.
Okay.
Too late.
Okay, Miss Ella. Show us. How did you do it? Ella, I need you just to show us. This is share time.
That's a rectangle.
Carson, let Miss Ella do the sharing.
Rectangle. That's okay. Aren't you going to count?
Okay, let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6, 7,
8,
8,
9,
9.
10.
How did you know to put 10 down there, Miss Ella?
Because I have 10 blocks.
Is that what your problem said?
Yes.
Okay. Now what did Miss Ella do? What did you do?
Mark.
You marked out how many? Why did you do that?
Because Miss Scott told me to.
Very good. Okay, Miss Ella. And then what did you do? What was next? What is that? What was the next thing? What's the next part of the problem?
I'm hungry.
Okay, we're almost done. What is the next part of the problem? What did you have to do? You had 10. Miss Powell.
I took away 4 and marked them out.
Okay, and because Miss Powell told you to take and give 4 to a Longhorn friend, and then you did what? So what did that? Then what was the next part of the problem?
I marked 4.
You did. Okay, we already said that, Miss Ella. Mr. Carson, it's Ella's share time. I need you to listen. Okay, you've X'd 4 out because Miss Powell told you to give them away. What is the next part of your problem? What did it say? It wanted to know what?
That I put 4 away.
Carson? It wanted to know what? It wanted to know.
Miss Powell told me.
Miss Powell told you to, Carson. What is the problem?
Share for with
Miss Powell told you to share 4, and then it said what? What's the last part of the problem?
She was left
It
with
wanted.
6.
It wanted to know what? You said it.
How many was she left with?
Very good. So how many is Ella left with?
6.
Do you agree? Let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
How did you know?
10 minus 4 minus. Like instead of big code. That's what.
How did you know to put this sign in there?
Because Miss Powell told me to.
Miss Powell didn't tell you to put a minus sign in there. Miss Powell told you to do what?
Miss Powell told us we're minusing.
Told how? But she didn't say the word minus. What did she say?
She said.
What did she tell you to do? She told you to share. So you had to take some away. So that's subtraction. Okay? This means subtraction. What does this mean? Addition. Okay? So today, what did we do? What did we do today?
The minus sign.
The minus sign, we did
Subtraction.
Okay, very good. Ella, get back to your spot, please. Okay, so do we agree our answer is 6?
Yes.
We agree that we had 6 left over?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Thank you.
Are we done? I'm a frog.